Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got us another BattlBox. But before we get into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so BattlBox. If you want to check them out, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video if you want to go check them out for yourself. But they do have a lot of different boxes for you to subscribe to if you feel so inclined. They have a basic box, which is $29.99 a month plus shipping and handling. They have an advanced box, which is $59.99 a month plus shipping and handling. They have a pro box, which is $109.99 plus shipping and handling. And a Pro Plus box, which is $159.99 plus shipping and handling. So that's kind of what you're going to find on their website. If you want to go check them out, feel free. I'm sorry I don't have any discount codes or anything because, you know, I'm not affiliated with any of the companies that I subscribe to. I just, you know, pay them and do my videos. So let's see what we got here from BattlBox. This is mission brief number 87 for, I'm assuming, I hope this is the month of May. Let's see, mission 87, April showers bring May battle boxes. Wait, that's not how it goes, but who cares? You have the May 2022 mission 87 of BattlBox in front of you. It is time to add some more awesome gear to your loadout for adventure and survival. This month's products are extremely versatile and adaptive for many uses and situations. Let's flip the page and let's not do that. Let's go ahead and just start pulling stuff out of this box. All right, the first thing we have is DD hammocks, a DD tarp, 3 meter by 3 meter olive green. Material is 190T polyester, PU coated. It includes 4 guy ropes and 4 pegs. It has 19 attachment points. Wow, man, that sounds like this is a one tarp to rule them all. And let's see, we got a little product card here. Hopefully that'll show up if you want to kind of pause that and check it out. I don't know if it's the same or different on the other side. But yeah, so we have a very multi-use, multi-purpose designed tarp. Awesome. So yeah, these things are, you know, I really like it because most people when they build their kits or their bags, they'll just go to, you know, Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, and they'll just get a ground tarp that has, you know, the little grommets in it. And it's nice to have stuff like this from DD Hammocks because this seems to be a more purpose and, you know, made product. And I think a lot of you guys out there, when you're looking for stuff like that, these things do have the little features that are, again, they're purposely designed for the intended use, not just kind of like a general purpose thing. So getting stuff like that is always really nice. Let's see what we got here. A rinse mod. What is this? Is this for something else? What is this? Okay, this is a water bottle. All right, so let's check this thing out here. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, let's see if we can make heads or tails out of this. So we have this, and I'm assuming since it's the same company, this cap here goes with this bottle. And let's see, let's check it out. And it's squishy. So yeah, and it does have, so you can open it from both ends. Okay, so you can open it from both ends, and yeah. And this cap here happened to have a little bungee, and you can actually take it off. So I guess you can put different stuff on it. And the other end is the same. It's one that goes on here, and it closes this bottle up and has like a bungee little thing on it. And then this is the rinse mod. So if you want to hang this like this, hang it like this, and put this little rinse mod that has the little holes, it has like, what, 5 holes in it? Hopefully that'll show up. You can put it on here and it'll give you like a little shower type effect. Let's see. All right, so I wonder, is there some other stuff for this in here? Doesn't look like it. Okay. So you got this mod bottle, and there wasn't anything else in it, but let's see. Apparently you can purchase, oh yes. Okay, wow. You can purchase all kinds of stuff for this thing. And everything fits, oh, and you can take the ends off and you can put the ends inside the bottle, I'm assuming, and you can collapse it. Anyway, here's a picture of the manual there. Hopefully that'll come in and you can see it. So yeah, this is just a multi-function, a multi-use bottle that it actually looks like it has a life straw type end that you can, a cap that goes in and has a little receiver on it there for some kind of like a life straw type item. And I guess you just go to their website and you can buy all the extra stuff. And it's the website is modloutdoors.com. So if you want to check more about this particular bottle, it's interesting. I've never seen a bottle like this before. So this is definitely something different that I'm not used to seeing, and that's how the inside is there. So yeah, it's very interesting. It's very different. You know, and you got to give kudos to these companies that come up with stuff like this. You know, just different things. And yeah, and actually here on the box, if you see it, if that'll focus, you can see it. It has a thing right here that's like a life straw that you can put into it, and then you can just pull directly from the top of the bottle, and it'll pull the water through that little filter. And I'm assuming, since it didn't come with that, that is going to be something that you go to the website and you buy as an addition. Okay, so I pulled this out. This is a Big Game Skinner Raptor razor. Let's see what we got here. I'm assuming that this is going to be a skinning kit. Oh, wow, yeah. All right. So we have the Raptor razor handle. That's nice. Yeah. It's like, I'm assuming it's like an anodized aluminum type material, if I were to proffer a guess, and it's 2 pieces. So it comes apart, and obviously the blades, and you got a saw blade. So we got that blade, and then we got, I'm assuming some skinning. Okay, there's a fillet, a little filleting blade. And then we got another filleting blade, and then a more, has a little sweep there on the end. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it kind of sweeps up there at the end. Well, this one, well, kind of like a filleting blade, it's just shorter. You can see it's a lot shorter. So I am no expert on such things, so I will leave it to you crafty guys in the comment section, because everybody loves to tell me how I'm wrong and I don't know what I'm talking about when I do these boxes, which I don't mind. So if you feel like it, go to the comment section and let me know what you guys think. And the way these things work, and I have some other tools that kind of work on this same premise. You just take this apart, and it goes through the hand, and it makes you a handle. I'm assuming you can also use it for that, or maybe not. Maybe this is just a tool. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, all right. So, and this is a Phillips head bit, and they give you like 5 other, like a flathead, and then of course what you need to actually take the screws off. So everything is in this kit is, I guess, the point for all this. So you can take this one little kit and you have everything in it that you need to use. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'll have to look this thing to see what all this stuff is for, because like I said, I don't have a whole lot of experience with these kind of kits, because I don't do any kind of processing myself of anything in the field or otherwise, fish or anything like that. I just, I don't really do a whole lot of that kind of stuff. So this will be something for me at least that will, you know, have to have some further investigation. But there you have it. You did get that with this box. And let's see, we got some. These look like these came. I guess these were for the bottle. These little bungee pieces, because the clamps there on the end, they look just like the ones on the mod bottle, on the caps. So I'm assuming that this came. Yeah, this did. This was part of the bottle. So this was just some other pieces that were just loose in there for the bottle. Okay, we got some Clean Freak. Are these just body wipes? Yes, they're body wipe. Yep, body wipe. All right. Contains aloe, alcohol-free, all natural, biodegradable. Is that what it says, biodegradable? All right. So we got a package. Does it say how many of them are in here? How many? 100% biodegradable, alcohol-free. I just said that. Contains aloe. I said that. How many? How many of them? All right, there's a pack. How about that? There's a package. There's a package of them. And it looks like there's a lot of them in there. It looks like there's maybe, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, maybe a dozen, maybe more. So yeah, you got some little body wipes. And I do like it that they are individually wrapped, so you can just throw a couple of them. You don't have to take the entire pack if you are concerned about space and weight. That is always a consideration, especially if you are going to be doing any kind of hiking or climbing or anything like that. And let's see, field dressing made easy, Raptor razor. Okay, this was for the field kit here, and that two-piece thing that, you know, I thought was a handle. It is a handle, but they don't give you this. This is something I'm assuming you can buy extra, and, you know, and then it would fit like that. The little handle piece would go on there. So yeah, they want you to go to raptorrazor.com to figure that out. And let's see what this is. This is from Fox Americans. America. All right, we got some orange cordage. Okay, we got some orange cordage. And then we got, oh, this looks like some spear tips. Is this a little package of spear tips? Why, it sure is. All right. So we got one that is a little saw. Okay, that's nice. So we got a little saw, and then we got a double-sided. Well, let's see. Let me take it out of this thing. Whew, yeah, she's sharp. It's a little. Yeah, nice. And the other one is, it's more fluted, I guess. It's not as pronounced as the other. Yeah. So there you go, a little kit that has these three, and that's it. That was everything. That's everything in the box. And then they actually give you some cordage to, you know, tie it around if a little stick or whatever. And there's only 3 of them. So this kit has these three ends, these 3 little function ends, and it has a little cool little bag and a little Fox America. And it does have a little like a belt loop or an attachment point right there on the back. And yeah, it just says that it's a survival arrowhead set. It is primarily designed for use as a secondary blade in a personal survival situation or anywhere else you may find a use. The nubs at the base of the tang, along with the hole cut out, make it possible to lash the arrowhead to a stick and make a makeshift spear or lance. Use the saw provided in this kit to cut your broadhead notch for your spear. There you go. And they give you the cordage, so you have everything. So yeah, so Fox America, there you go. You got a little arrowhead kit that was really small. So let's check out our mission brief card and let's run down the prices. So in the basic box, you would have got the Clean Freak body wipes, and that was a 12-pack. Those things were $15, and you would have got the Fox Edge arrowhead set, which are $22.99, and you would have got the MODL flexibiners. You would have got these two things for $24. That's kind of steep. That's kind of steep. So that would have been in your basic box. So the box for $30 would have got you those three items. If you would have stepped up to the advanced box, that would have added the MODL bottle with the rinse mod. They have a price on that with the rinse, you know, with the rinse cap for $40. You would have got that if you would have stepped up to the advanced box. If you would have went with the Pro box, you would have included the DD hammock. Well, they call it a hammock. It says DD hammock or a DD tarp. Ooh, man, that thing has a price of $74. And there she is, $74. That would have been your Pro box, and then finally the Pro Plus box, which is what we're rocking. You would have got the Razor Raptor kit, and that kit has a price tag of $124.99. Okay, so what you would have used the little handle for in the kit, you would have affixed that to the end of the sharpening rod as depicted in the picture right there, and that is what that was for. So there you have it. All right, guys. Again, thank you for hanging out with me. This was a BattlBox mission number 87. This was a Pro Plus box. What did you think? Did you like any of this stuff? Would you have subscribed if you would have been happy if you would have got some of this stuff? Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you think. There will be a subscribe button here. If you are not subscribed, shame on you. You should be subscribed. Next video. And yeah, leave a comment. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And we will see you next time. Peace.